Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Adinda Karna Putri. My NPM 2441141. In this video, I will explain the topic athlete evaluating form of cooperation in business activities. This topic is very important because cooperation play a significant role in supporting business success, especially in today the dynamics and competitive business environment. Without cooperation, many businesses would find it difficult to survive, grow, and compete efficiently in the market. In today's business environment, cooperation is very important. Tidak semua pelaku bisnis mampu menjalankan usahanya sendiri tanpa bantuan pihak lain, baik dari segi modal, tenaga, maupun keahlian. Through cooperation, business can share resources, reduce risks, and improve operational efficiency. Kerjasama juga membantu perusahaan untuk berkembang lebih cepat dan lebih stabil, terutama dalam menghadapi persaingan global. However, cooperation does not always guarantees success. Each form of cooperation has its own advantage and disadvantage. If cooperation is not evaluated properly, it might create conflict, financial loss, or even business failure. Therefore, students as future business actors need to be able to evaluate each type of business cooperation wisely before making decisions. Definition of business cooperation. Business cooperation can be defined as an agreement between two or more parties to work together in order to achieve common goals. Kerjasama bisnis biasanya didasarkan pada kesepakatan yang jelas mengenai tugas, tanggung jawab, serta pembagian keuntungan. Kesepakatan ini dapat berbentuk kontrak tertulis maupun perjanjian lisan, tergantung pada skala dan kebutuhan bisnis. Without clear agreement, cooperation might lead to misunderstanding and conflicts. Therefore, legal clarity and mutual understanding are very important in business cooperation. Trust, communication, and commitment are key factors in maintaining a successful cooperation. When these elements are well managed, cooperation can create long-term benefit for all parties involved. Form or cooperation in business activities. Number 1, capital cooperation. Capital cooperation occurs when one party provides financial resources while another party manages the business operation. Contohnya adalah investor menanamkan modal pada usaha kecil, startup, atau perusahaan yang sedang berkembang. This form or cooperation allow business to expand without relying solely on personal capital. From an evaluation perspective, capital cooperation help business grow faster and scale their operation. However, profit sharing and decision making difference can become challenged if they are not clearly regulated from the beginning. If role and authority are not clearly defined, conflict between owner and investor may arise. Number one, number two, operational cooperation. Operational cooperation involves collaboration in daily business activities such as production, distribution, and logistik. Misalnya kerjasama antara produsen atau distributor dalam menyalurkan produk ke pasar yang lebih luas. This cooperation allow each party focus on their core competition. Evaluating so that operational cooperation increase efficiency and productivity. However, it requires strong coordination, communication, and time management. If one party fails to perform its role properly, it might disrupt the entire business process. Number three, marketing cooperation. Marketing cooperation is collaboration, is promotion, product or service. Contohnya seperti co-branding, joint promotion, influencer marketing, atau kerjasama pemasaran digital. This cooperation help business reach wider markets and reduce promotional costs. From an evaluation standpoint, marketing cooperation increase brand exposure and market penetration. However, difference in brand image, target market, or marketing strategy may become risk if not managed properly. Number four, partnership cooperation. Partnership is long-term cooperation based on mutual trust and shared objective. Kerjasama ini sering ditemukan pada bisnis waralaba, usaha keluarga, joint venture, atau strategic alliance. Partnership encourages business sustainability and long-term growth. In evaluation, partnership cooperation supports stability and shared responsibility. Importance of evaluating business cooperation. Evaluating business cooperation is very important before entering an agreement. Mahasiswa mampu menilai apakah suatu bentuk kerjasama sesuai dengan kebutuhan bisnis, kemampuan finansial, dan tujuan jangka panjang. Evaluation help business identify potential risks and opportunities. Through proper evaluation, business can minimize conflicts, financial loss, and operational failures. It also helps business cost cooperation strategies that support sustainability and growth. Conclusion. In conclusion, cooperation is a critical part of business activities and form of cooperation as its own benefit and risks. Mahasiswa harus mampu mengevaluasi bentuk kerjasama bisnis sebelum mengambil keputusan. By understanding the advantages and disadvantages of capital, operational, marketing, and partnership cooperation, business can choose the most suitable cooperation strategies. Evaluating cooperation helps minimize risk, maximize opportunities, and support sustainable business development. That is my explanation about evaluating form of cooperation in business activities. Hopefully, this video can help students better understand the importance of evaluating business cooperation before making business decisions. Thank you for watching and listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Business cooperation is an essential part of modern business activities because it helps companies achieve their goals more effectively and efficiently. In today's highly competitive business environment, organizations cannot operate independently. Therefore, cooperation becomes a strategic solution that allows businesses to share resources, capital, knowledge, and risks in order to survive and grow. Business cooperation can be defined as an agreement between two or more parties who work together to achieve mutual benefits through shared responsibilities. This cooperation is usually based on trust, commitment, and clear agreements regarding roles, responsibilities, and profit distribution. Through cooperation, businesses can improve performance and gain competitive advantages. There are several forms of cooperation in business activities, and each form has its own advantages as well as potential challenges. One of the most common forms is capital cooperation. Capital cooperation occurs when one party provides financial resources, while the other party manages the business operations. This form of cooperation supports business growth and expansion, especially for small businesses and startups. However, challenges may arise in profit sharing and decision-making if agreements are not clearly defined from the beginning. Another form of cooperation is operational cooperation. Operational cooperation involves collaboration in daily business activities such as production, distribution, or logistics. This type of cooperation helps businesses improve efficiency and productivity by focusing on their core competencies. However, poor coordination and communication between parties may lead to operational problems and delays. Marketing cooperation is also an important form of business cooperation. Marketing cooperation focuses on joint promotional activities such as co-branding, shared marketing campaigns, or collaborative digital marketing strategies. This cooperation helps businesses reach wider markets and reduce promotion costs. Nevertheless, differences in brand image and marketing strategies must be managed carefully to avoid negative impacts on consumer perception. In addition, partnership cooperation plays a crucial role in long-term business development. Partnership cooperation is a long-term relationship based on trust, commitment, and shared goals. This form of cooperation supports business sustainability and long-term success. However, differences in vision, values, or management styles can create conflicts if they are not properly communicated and managed. In conclusion, cooperation plays a crucial role in business activities. Students must be able to evaluate each form of business cooperation critically by understanding its advantages and disadvantages. By doing so, business decisions can be made more effectively. Evaluating cooperation helps minimize risks, maximize opportunities, and support sustainable business development. Thank you for your attention.